Hey guys, what's up? So I got a pretty interesting video. A lot of people have been talking about this Apple and Facebook beef, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on what I think will happen, what is happening, how it won't affect things, what it will affect. Here are my thoughts.
Yeah, I want to show you something. Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can.
So this just showed up while I logged in on Ads Manager. What do you think about it?
Scroll down, scroll up. Click learn more because this is so vague. Like I can't tell if this means they're gonna block the pixel or if they're gonna block ads, but let's try to dig into this. Yep, scroll down.
Because right now, the latest product that I have launched, it's heavily dependent upon, the term Apple.
Yeah.
I'm targeting Apple Watch, iPhones, and all that sort of stuff.
Agree with apps using, yep. Go down. Scroll down. So basically it's just saying that it's going to be much harder to target Apple audience because Apple's not going to give as much information as previously. So I think this actually isn't going to affect much because this is just affecting targeting. So if you target, let's say, I don't know, cat lovers, Apple isn't going to give you all the cat lovers within the Apple niche, but like Facebook, if you're on Facebook and you like cat pages, no matter if you use an Apple product or not, you're going to be within that audience. So I think this is going to affect much. And I think Facebook is actually, over time, the amount of data Facebook gains will outweigh this dip in information gain. Like Facebook is just getting smarter and smarter every day. So I don't think this is a big issue. And if you are selling Apple products, unless they remove the target iOS audiences, which I don't think they have, you should be fine.
Yeah, because one of the ad sets, instead of targeting through interests or behavior, I just scroll down and put the appropriate iOS version and did that sort of thing. So that's why I was concerned if it's worth spending money on the entire campaign after reading this.
Yeah, have you launched that ad campaign yet?
Yeah, just few hours ago.
Okay, cool. And it's in review or approved?
It's approved, it's running. It is getting kind of good response. But let's see what happens.
Yeah, that means it still works. So I think you should be fine. I don't think this should affect things too much.
So yeah, that's my thoughts. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, be sure to like the video, drop a comment below, let me know your thoughts. Let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, what to do, have to drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Hopefully this answers your question and relieves you of any anxiety, because things are going to be all right, and Facebook is just going to get so much smarter, where that the less data that Apple is giving to Facebook isn't going to even make a dent. Peace.